Good day to all of you. We are now in 8th part of how to start the accounting process using a lead sheet. This is a continuation of the adjusting entries. I would like to clear up that the exercises you're using here is more likely happening in the work setting. If you don't have an accounting experience and you're struggling in what to do, you'll be guided in this new channel. I will help you. So let's go ahead and continue. Our next adjusting entry is for the prepayments. This is our prepayment schedule, and we'll be getting here the value we need for the adjusting entry. For the prepaid rent, the coverage is 1st of Feb and will mature on the 31st of Jan 2021, which is 365 days. But at the end of this year, 31st of December 2020, we need to be sure that what we have entered in our system or what we have counted as full expense of the prepaid rent is only from Feb 1 to December 31, 2020. So it is not full 365 days. What will happen is we're going to make a schedule note. Okay. So the formula is just less 31/12/2020 into Feb 1 2020. It will appear 334 days that we're supposed to make and supposed to entry expensed for prepaid rent. Alright, so what we'll do next is we'll do like this monthly. We're going to divide the cost 50,000 into 12 months, and this is what we're going to use for the monthly expense of the rent. Okay, so for the full month of Feb, we're going to use this 4166 and 67. And what we'll do here for the month for the year of 2020 is we're going to enter the full month of Feb 4166.67. all right, so go ahead to the prepaid insurance. For the prepaid insurance, the coverage is 25th of Feb and it will mature on the 24th of Feb and the following year, 2021. It is still 365 days. So just like the prepaid rent, we're going to divide the cost into 12 months to get the monthly expense, but we're going to consider the number of days we'll be using, which is from 25 to 29 only, because the period of the insurance is only starting on the 25th. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just copy this and paste it here, but let's pull this up. Alright, So in this transaction, it is only 310 days. And we'll copy this and paste here. For insurance, the monthly expense will be $291.67, but based on the coverage of the period used, it is only 5 days, starting 25th of Feb to 29. So what we would do for the expense of February, it would be this. We're going to divide this into 29 days, and this is the daily expense, but we're going to multiply this into 5 days, from 25th of Feb to 29th. That is times 5. Alright. So for the expense of insurance for the month of Feb, it is only 50 and 29. I wanted to clear up that only for the month of Feb, the value would be 50 and 29. This is for the reason of the number of days being used, which is from 25 of Feb to 29th only. But for the month of March, it will be this amount. Alright, so what we will do here is we're going to copy the Feb expense, which is 50.29. Alright, so I'll give you another example. For March, this will become another 4166 and 67, and for this it will be 291 and 67. Alright, so again for Feb, it will be looking like this. This is the expense of February for rent, and for the insurance it is 50.29. So the counting is for 2020, it will be the same value. Also for this, starting for Feb. But in the month of March, what will happen is the rent will be the same, 4166 and 67, but on the insurance it will be 291 and 67. Alright, it will be like this. It will be just like this, and here we will add 291 and 67. Have you see the movements? And here you're going to add the same amount, 4166 and 67. So monthly there will be some changes in the remaining, alright, until it will become 0. Okay, so again for the year end 31st of December, we're going to make to be sure that the value we have entered for the full year will be as per the number of days being used, which is 334 for rent and 310 for insurance. Okay, but for now we'll focus on what is the expense amount expense value for these two prepayments. So just go back to, okay, alright. So what we'll be putting there in our journal entry for the adjusting entry will be this and this. Alright, if you do have questions, just leave your comments below. So if I'll be having some time, I will answer it. Let's go and make our adjusting entry. So this will become JV 3. Date is the same, reference is the same. Our debit here will be rent expense. We're going to follow that as per the arrangement in the prepayment schedule. Alright, and another debit is insurance expense. Okay, and the credit is prepaid rent and prepaid insurance. This one and this, and we're going to copy the value we have in the schedule. Alright, this, and the same amount on the credit side. The next description is for Feb 2020. This is rent Alright, so again we're going to print this, and you're going to print this also. Alright, so just here until here you can print this part, and you will attach that into the printout coming from here. Right, only this, don't include this one. Okay, and you're going to file it in our file box here, in this file box. Alright, so we are going to transfer these details to our general journal. So this is wait, So this will be 3. Oh, sorry. Alright, and this. For the meantime, I will stop here for now. If you think this channel is helpful, please leave your comment below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.